Belmont identifies 5 priority drill targets from IP survey on its flagship CBC Property. Belmont Resources is pleased to report the results from the Fall 2021 program of 3D Induced Polarization prospecting and rock sampling on the company's 100% owned CBC Property near Grand Forks, southern British Columbia. CBC Property is one of 4 projects owned by Belmont situated in the prolific Greenwood mining district. This area contains no less than 30 past producing mines, including the Phoenix mine, which produced over 500 million pounds of copper and over 1 million ounces of gold. CBC 3D IP survey was completed by Frontier Geoscience and tested a 478-hectare area that covered the majority of the property. 5 high-priority targets have been identified for follow-up diamond drilling. Hardy Mountain Zone, a 400-meter-long strong northeast trending chargeability and resistivity high with a corresponding mag low signature located near the Browns and Caledonia showings. The geophysical target extends from surface to the depth limit of the survey, which is approximately 300 meters. Elevated gold and copper values were returned from rock samples at the Browns and Caledonia showings. Iron Chief Zone. A highlight of the rock sampling program was the confirmation of high gold values at the Iron Chief occurrence. Historic workings at the Iron Chief occurrence follow a northeast trending sulfide-rich quartz vein of unknown width that is spatially associated with a prominent monzonite dike of similar orientation. High gold and silver values of 17.05 grams per ton gold and 619 grams per ton silver, as well as 4.86 grams per ton gold and 280 grams per ton silver, along with elevated copper, lead and zinc, are coincident with a strong chargeability and resistivity high anomaly at approximately 300 meters depth. ADM. A further highlight of the prospecting program was the discovery of a new area of copper-gold skarn mineralization with values including 3.8 grams per ton gold with 0.45% copper and 1.4 grams per ton gold with 1.07% copper. Mineralization is spatially associated with the northeast trending monzonite dike present at the Iron Chief occurrence and coincident with a discrete chargeability high, suggesting a possible common plumbing system between the two zones. The Bet's occurrence is the site of considerable historic workings, including a 251-meter adit which intersected massive sulfide mineralization. In 2021, high copper values with elevated gold and silver collected of mineralization in the dumps of the historic workings sampled 4.75% copper and 0.68 grams per ton gold and also 2.36% copper and 0.46 grams per ton gold. Surface mineralization is coincident with a strong chargeability high and resistivity low anomaly. Epithermal silicification and veining, as well as evidence of volcanogenic massive sulfide mineralization, was encountered in a 1998 drill hole located approximately 100 meters from the adit, making the Bet's a compelling target for further exploration. Eagle Mountain. Geophysics has identified a 700-meter-long, strong northeast trending chargeability high, resistivity high, mag low the crosscut stratigraphy. The IP geophysical responses are characteristic of porphyry-style mineralization and is considered a high-priority target. The most prominent feature of the IP survey is a large prominent resistivity low in the central part of the property. Known copper-gold skarn mineralization on the claims coincides with the margins of the large resistivity feature. Further exploration work will be conducted in this area to determine the causation of this feature and its relationship to the surrounding mineralization. Geophysical surveys on the CBC property have been very successful in delineating high-quality drill targets for the upcoming drill program. Drilling is expected to begin in the early spring of 2022. Belmont identifies 5 priority drill targets from IP survey on its flagship CBC property.